It's letting everybody you know, hey, here's what I'm doing. And they might know somebody that'll give it to you. But this specific person called me up first.
Hey guys, Sean Bloomquist, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you found us on Facebook or YouTube, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that we're getting new content as soon as it comes out. Today I've got my good friend Andrew Howie with me, and we're going to talk about something that we've actually done a video before on this, and the importance of networking. And before the video we did before, we talked about ways to do your networking and make sure that you're getting out to events and talking to people, not scared to talk to people. Make sure you bring business cards with so they know how to contact you. But today we wanted to talk about how that comes into play in a real world situation and the importance of it and why it's such a powerful tool. And I got Howie here because he's got a perfect example of why networking is so critical in this industry.
Yeah, I can speak to this really well, Sean. So I've been out there looking now for about 2 years, looking for a property. I've come across a few, but the numbers just didn't work out that well for me. But I'm out there at happy hours, coffee meetings, breakfast meetings, you name it, I'm out there doing it. And I've developed this really good network where I've got a relationship with people. And this one just came out of the blue one day from an appraiser that I know. We've actually used him for a few of our appraisals.
Okay.
But I've had lunch with him, I've had coffee with him, I've built that relationship with him. He gave me a call one day, said he knew of somebody that needed to sell a house super fast. And I was the first person on his list to call to give that to.
Because you had talked to him before and said, hey, if you come across anything, let me know. Or was he just, you know what, Howie would be the perfect guy for this? Or how'd that come into play?
I had put it out there to him, hey, I'm looking for properties, right? So it's not just the network at these coffee meetings or these organized events. It's letting everybody you know, hey, here's what I'm doing. And they might know somebody that'll give it to you. But this specific person called me up first, said, hey, I know a realtor that their parents need to sell the house super quick. And that was all just because I've taken the time to get to know him, ask him the questions, care about what he's going through in his career and in his life. So I was number one on that list.
Yeah, you built that base repertoire with him so he knew that you were top of mind, of hey, all of a sudden this property came across, man, who do I know who would use something like this and take advantage of it? I've talked to Howie a million times about this. He'd be the perfect guy for it.
Yep.
So you're in the flip right now, correct?
Yeah, we're just about done. We're probably about 80% done, 85% done. So we're hoping to get that listed here in about a month. And if everything goes to plan and the market's doing well and Kevin in our office brings down interest rates, we will have a pretty good profit on our hands, I think.
That's
so
awesome.
Great.
That's awesome. Well, yeah, I mean, that just shows how powerful networking can be.
Yeah, I didn't have to do anything. The property came to me, basically, other than nurture that relationship.
That's perfect.
And something else I would suggest, too, when you are at these networking events, yes, hand out your business card, but very important for you to get their information as well, because it doesn't guarantee that they're going to get a hold of you or put you in their Rolodex after you give them their card. So, yeah, get their information, reach out to them. Organize the one-on-one coffees. That's where it really is at, I feel. And you'll have success just like I did.
Awesome. Well, that's a great tip. If you have any other questions about networking or getting loans done or running the numbers on a rehab, if somebody brings a property to you and you want to make sure it's worth moving forward on, feel free to reach out to Howie or myself at pinefinancialgroup.com.
Thanks, guys.